Flippy. Look at how clean that lid is. What a good little dishwasher you are. Thank you, Flippy.